Welcome to BoxTruckHelp.com. Learning and getting the right help to start a trucking company can be a huge headache. One thing for sure, you're going to have to spend a lot of time doing research from multiple sources in hopes you get the right answers. You also have to figure out which entity type fits your business best when filing for your articles of organization. And even when you do, you still have to figure out the tax structure that will fit your long-term needs. Plus, the challenge of finding the right vehicle within your budget that's not going to fail in the first 6 months. Because of all the challenges you face, we can start to become overwhelmed and realize this is more time-consuming and a bigger hassle than you bargained for. Fortunately for you, there is a better way. BoxTruckHelp.com is a one-stop learning solution that teaches you everything you need to know, so you can relax knowing you've left your trucking concerns to the experts. With BoxTruckHelp.com, we'll provide step-by-step videos on how to get your motor carrier number, all the way to filling out your carrier packet so you can spend more time building your business and hitting that six-figure income. We'll teach you how some of the most successful trucking companies in the world are using methods like dispatching services, proper driver vetting, and risk management. Since we're a one-stop help center, you will have access to all of our tutorials, question and answer webinars, blogs, entry-level dispatch services, and so much more. The best part about it, you're going to get instant access to custom-made learning material for free. You heard it right the first time, for free. Find out how BoxTruckHelp.com can eliminate the stress of becoming an owner-operator by speaking to one of our mentors today. Visit BoxTruckHelp.com or by emailing help@BoxTruckHelp.com.